Welcome to our channel SASE Cloud Networking. Today our topic is Prisma SD-WAN app-defined policies, troubleshooting app ID misclassification, causing wrong traffic steering. The problem statement is, a business-critical application is not following the intended app-defined policy in Prisma SD-WAN. Instead of using the preferred MPLS path, the application is being routed over broadband internet, causing poor user experience and SLA violations. The root cause turns out to be app ID misclassification. Let's begin now. Your app-defined policy looks correct. Your preferred path is configured, yet your application is still taking the wrong WAN circuit. Why? Today we'll troubleshoot one of the most common Prisma SD-WAN issues, app ID misclassification. Let's dive in. Understand the problem. An enterprise has defined a policy. Microsoft Teams traffic should always use MPLS. Business priority is set to high, but users complain about poor call quality. When engineers inspect traffic flows, they discover Teams sessions are using broadband internet. The app-defined policy is not being applied. Understanding app ID. Prisma SD-WAN does not make decisions based only on IP addresses. It first identifies the application. Then it matches the application against configured policies. Finally, it selects the optimal WAN path. If application identification fails, policy matching also fails, and traffic follows an unintended path. What are the symptoms? Common symptoms include unexpected application routing, application policies receiving no traffic matches, business applications using internet links, voice and video quality degradation, and inconsistent user experience across branches. Performing root cause analysis. The most common causes include encrypted traffic hiding application signatures, outdated application signatures, custom applications not properly defined, policy order conflicts, application identification timing issues. In this example, Microsoft Teams was incorrectly identified as generic SSL traffic. The intended Teams policy never matched. Prisma SD-WAN applied the default internet policy instead. GUI troubleshooting. First, navigate to Monitor. Applications. Application visibility. Search for the affected application. Verify how Prisma SD-WAN identifies the traffic. Next, check Policies. App-defined policies. Confirm policy matching statistics. Look for zero-hit counts, unexpected application names, default policy matches. These indicators often reveal app ID issues. Validation checks. You should validate. Application name detected. Application category. Policy hit count. Selected WAN path. SLA metrics. Compare actual classification against expected classification. Any mismatch points directly toward app ID issues. Fixing the issue. Step 1. Update application signatures. Step 2. Review policy order. Ensure business-critical policies appear above generic policies. Step 3. Create custom application definitions, if required. Step 4. Validate traffic classification after policy updates. Step 5. Monitor path selection behavior. After correction, Teams traffic is correctly identified. Policy matching succeeds. Traffic moves back to MPLS. User experience immediately improves. Best practices are: review app ID accuracy regularly. Monitor application visibility dashboards. Audit policy hit counts monthly. Use custom applications for proprietary traffic. Keep software and signatures updated. Validate new SaaS applications before production rollout. These simple practices prevent most app ID-related incidents. App-defined policies are only as effective as application identification. If app ID fails, policy enforcement fails. Understanding this relationship is essential for every Prisma SD-WAN engineer. Subscribe for more Prisma SD-WAN troubleshooting deep dives. See you in the next video.